many more family memories are you willing to miss because somebody else controls your schedule? That's a question I've been thinking about a lot lately. My summer is officially over, and I'm heading back to work in the school cafeteria. And I'm grateful to have a job, but I'd be lying if I said I was excited about giving up control of my time again. Because when somebody else controls your work schedule, they don't just control the hours you're at work. Sometimes they control whether you can take that trip, whether you can spend the day with your grandchildren, whether you can be there for a family event, or whether you have to say, I can't, I have to work. And when you get older, you start realizing something. You can make more money, but you can't make more time. That's one of the biggest reasons I'm building Manufacturer of Freedom. I help hardworking people over 50 learn high income skills so they can worry less about money and enjoy more freedom. And I'm learning those skills right alongside you. I'm not standing here telling you I've already quit my job and figured everything out. I haven't figured everything out. Tomorrow, I'm putting my lunch lady shoes back on and going back to work. But I'm also not giving up on the future I'm trying to build. I'm going to work my job, come home, keep learning, keep building this business, and keep documenting what happens along the way. Because my goal isn't just to make more money. I want my time back. I want to reach the point where I don't have to ask someone else whether I can take a day off. I don't want to work deciding I don't want work deciding which family memories I get to be a part of. And maybe you feel the same way. Maybe you're not afraid of hard work. You've probably been working hard your entire life. You're just tired of your time belonging to somebody else. If that's you, I want you to know that I'm trying to find another way too. I don't know exactly how long it's going to take me, but I know what happens if I don't try. Because when nothing changes, nothing changes. So tomorrow, I'll go back to the cafeteria, but I'm going back with a very different mindset. This job pays my bills today. I'm building something that I hope will give me my freedom tomorrow. If this sounds like your story too, comment freedom and I'll send you my Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's absolutely free. Or visit manufactureroffreedom.com, enter your email address, and I'll send it straight to your inbox. It's my gift to you. Remember, every small step you take today can change the rest of your life. I'll see you on the journey at manufactureroffreedom.com.